Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about how to turn off safe search mode on Safari. Now, before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. So this is a bit of a tricky thing. Now if you go to settings and you go and find Safari app here, there you won't really find a way to turn off the safe mode in any of the options here. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the main settings page, and then what you want to do is go to this screen time section, and then you want to go down a bit and then you click content and privacy restrictions. And here you want to turn on content and privacy restrictions, and then you click content restrictions down here. And then what you want to do is find web content, and you click that. It'll basically say unrestricted. So if it says unrestricted, that means your safe search mode is turned off. And that means you can go to any website that you want. And if you want to turn it on and you want to limit some websites or allow any other websites that you want to go to, you can basically customize all of that onto this page. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching.